Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to cut a video in a VLC media player. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course open up a video using a VLC media player software. And once you open up your video, in order for you to cut or trim, just simply go for this view at the top left and just simply go for advanced controls. And from here, you should be able to see here these four buttons. So from here, just select where do you want to start the video. So I'm gonna play, and let's say I want to start it over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this red icon over here or the record. And after that, I can just simply play it. And from there, guys, just simply select where to stop and just simply click on the red icon over here again to stop it. And you can use this feature as well, frame by frame. And that's simply about it. If you're done, just click on this box and there you go. The videos will be on your videos. Just simply search it on the start menu. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.